Hello, welcome to a special episode of Mark 2 Golf Stories. Today I get to introduce to you the Lemon. What do you think, Dad? What are your thoughts about this? Got a bit of work to do on it, but it was £4 grand.
Could be damp inside.
It's not damp inside. I thought so. There's no water on the carpet. What do you think of the car? Come here. Come here, answer your question. Come here. Stand here. Look at the camera.
It's a lovely looking car.
Right. So it's a lovely looking car.
Yeah.
But what? Come here.
Problems.
Problems?
Yeah.
Yeah? What problems? Numerous problems.
Electrical.
Electrical. Engine.
Water. Getting inside through here. Messing.
Let's have a little quick tour of it. Go on, shall we pop her open and have a little look?
Let me plump.
We've got a very sophisticated bonnet stay. There you go. This is one of the problems. So, as you can see, we've had to take off the header tank. Let's go and get this clean. Because there was no coolant in the car when we got it, it was just full of water.
Rusty water?
Rusty water, yeah. So, this pipe down here, it goes from the engine to the airbox. It's got some funny little valve in the middle, which we've not seen before, where it plugs back onto the head. Which doesn't seem to be opening. I'm not sure what that's about, but the engine's throwing loads of oil into the airbox, and we guess it's because of that valve. Who knows? Many other reasons it could be, but got a new pipe to replace it, so we'll see what it's like after that. There's no air filter. Anything else in the engine? We're in the engine bay.
All this water getting in.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of water running down the side of the engine into basically the chassis arms. So we're going to have to...
Same all over.
Yeah, same on this side.
Over the battery.
Yeah, so we're going to have to figure out where the water's coming in. You may have noticed this rather beautiful scoop on the bonnet.
You do.
When I saw it, I thought it was pretty horrific, but I'm not going to lie, it's kind of growing on me. It does come all the way through, so maybe I'll open it up and make it into a proper vent. If not, maybe I'll replace the bonnet. Another concern is this. We haven't got any, let's look at the internals. We've got this, show them the horn. This is the horn. Oh wait, I've got the ignition on there.
That's wrong.
Oh. Oh. So, if we leave it on, if you can hear that, I'll move the microphone nearer. But fuel pump is constantly on. We've replaced the relay. Do you know?
Or it was 67.
It was 67. We replaced it with 167. Yep. Still doing the same thing. So we're going to look at maybe changing out all the fuses because they're all knackered. Show them the horn, Dad. It's ignition on.
Working.
So we need to obviously get that back on the steering wheel. Aside from that, any other issues that we know of?
Yeah.
There's no window switches for electric windows.
They said they had them.
So they'd order some, but you know, can't have everything. But there is definitely an electric window motor there. Oh yeah, the boot doesn't open as well. Now if you're wondering why the bottom is black, that's because that's the original colour of the car, so I'm told. But there is a boot sticker in there which matches up to the VIN in the engine bay along the scuttle. Doesn't leak, so I mean that's something. I mean the interior is in quite good condition. The leather seats, they're okay for a car that's this age. So yeah, we've got a few jobs to do. We've got a load of parts coming. Another thing we need to do is replace the oil dipstick sleeve because that is broken. So that's one of the first jobs to do. So yeah, we've got a new dipstick sleeve, we've got an air filter, we've got a new pipe, we've got a boot for the wiring for the boot wiring. What else have we got?
Your wipers work?
Yeah, wipers work. Washer jets don't for some reason. Oh yeah, washer jets don't work as well.
We can't get this to fit in here because I don't know how the levers are there. Keep putting it in, coming out again. Just go straight through.
That's the bonnet stay, isn't it?
Yeah.
So looking to maybe get some hydraulic lifters for the bonnet. Have you got the centre caps, Dad, for the wheels?
Yeah.
We have, yeah. Got BBS caps for them. I mean, overall the bodywork's pretty good. We've just got a few teething problems, I'd say. Anyway, that's the new GTI. Thank you for being on this journey with us. Please click on like and subscribe. Tell us what you think of this. Tell us what you think of the absolutely horrific bonnet scoop. I quite like it. Very 90s. Yeah, click subscribe. Drop a like. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of it. Of the banana. See you in another video soon when we'll start working on this and hopefully get an MOT for it. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.